Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever felt like the task of grooming delicate areas could be a little less stressful? If you're on the hunt for a bikini trimmer that offers precision, comfort, and ease of use, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer, a product designed to make personal grooming easier, faster, and less intimidating. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more honest reviews like this. All right, let's dive in. The Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer is designed for quick and efficient grooming in sensitive areas, such as the bikini line and legs. This model comes with an ergonomic design, making it easy to hold and maneuver. It's waterproof, which means you can safely use it in the shower, adding convenience to your routine. Plus, it's powered by batteries, so no need to worry about cords getting in your way. This trimmer is marketed to give you smooth results with minimal effort. In terms of features, the GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer offers a compact and sleek design, which makes it a great travel companion. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, which is especially important when you're working with precision tools in delicate areas. The trimmer is battery-powered, so it's lightweight and easy to handle, but you'll need to have batteries on hand. It also promises waterproof functionality, making it ideal for wet and dry use. After testing it out for a few weeks, I found that the Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer lives up to its promises in many ways. Incorporating it into my grooming routine was a breeze. No complicated steps, just grab it and go. The trimmer is gentle enough for sensitive skin, but still provides a close shave, which is crucial for those of us looking for smooth results without irritation. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, and I didn't have to worry about it slipping from my hands, even when using it in the shower. The fact that it's waterproof is a huge bonus, as I could easily rinse it off and use it in the comfort of my shower routine. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. The battery-powered aspect, while great for portability, does require you to keep track of battery life. After a few uses, I noticed it needed a fresh set of batteries. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a more sustainable, rechargeable option. Also, though the trimmer provides a close shave, I did find it slightly less precise in the harder-to-reach spots compared to other trimmers that offer multiple attachment heads. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: ergonomic and easy to use, with a comfortable grip. Waterproof design adds convenience for shower use. Battery-powered, which makes it portable and great for travel. Effective at trimming and shaving sensitive areas without irritation. Cons: battery-powered, which requires you to replace batteries often. Limited precision for tricky spots or more detailed trimming. Lacks multiple attachment heads, which some other models offer. When it comes to value for money, the Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer is reasonably priced, especially considering its performance and ease of use. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, you could find trimmers with more precision or additional features, like multiple attachment heads or a rechargeable battery. That said, if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss bikini trimmer, this one certainly delivers on its promises. In terms of build quality, the GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer feels solid and durable for a battery-powered model. The ergonomic handle adds to its overall comfort and ease of use, while the waterproof feature increases its long-term usability. In terms of longevity, I'd expect this trimmer to last a good while if it's maintained properly, with regular battery changes and a quick rinse after each use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on the Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I haven't had a direct interaction with Conair's support team, but the brand is well known for providing good customer service in case you run into any issues with your product. If you're considering alternatives, there are other bikini trimmers on the market that offer similar functionality, but with added features like rechargeable batteries or extra attachments for more detailed grooming. The Panasonic Close Curves Wet Dry Shaver, for instance, is another great option in a similar price range, offering a bit more precision for those tricky areas. To wrap it up, the Conair GIRLBOMB Bikini Trimmer is a solid choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, effective trimmer for sensitive areas. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. If you're looking for something simple, reliable, and portable, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.